Hello, welcome to my class. Students, in the last class we have discussed the problems related to the criteria of similar triangle. Now, with the similar triangle, some others one, that is the area properties to be done. Area properties to be done means you are having the most important theorem, one theorem, that is the relation between the areas of two similar triangles with the corresponding sides or others. So that theorem is one of the most important theorem, that is in the exam also it has asked for proving the theorem. What is the theorem? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. Remember, squares of the corresponding sides. In the perimeter of the other similar triangles ratio we got corresponding side ratio. But here we will get the ratio of the areas of the squares of the corresponding sides. So what's this one? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their squares of corresponding sides. Squares of corresponding sides means if you have the two triangles, suppose you are having the two triangle ABC and DEF, these two triangles are similar is given. Just this thing is given, the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF given. Given what? Triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF. Its corresponding side you are getting AB, DE, BC, EF, AC, DF. So ultimately what to prove? To prove you area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF. That the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to what? Is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. That means it will be AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square as well as equal to AC square by DF square. Are you getting this one? The area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF, that to be proved AB square by AB and DE corresponding side. So AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. Now, it is the relation of the area of similar triangles. So triangle area in common formula, simple formula we know, that is half into base into corresponding height or altitude. So that's why on this base you have to draw the corresponding altitude. That is what? Perpendicular. So that's construction to be done. Suppose BC and EF we have taken the base, so AM and suppose that is DN. Altitude, that is perpendicular as drawn. So what is the construction we have done? Draw AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. See, AM, that is altitude perpendicular to BC, DN perpendicular to EF we have drawn. Now, since the triangle are given what? The original triangle is given similar to that one DEF. So we know if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Their ratios will be equal. So respective angle, if we need A equal to angle D, B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F, as well as AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. That's original similar triangle properties you are getting that one. Now from that point the perpendicular is drawn, the areas ratio to be find out. So after that I am starting from here. So area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF, that's one what to prove, that's we have to see that is coming or not. So what we have done after this, the area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF equal to, area means you know half into base into corresponding height or altitude. So if you have taken BC as the base, so देखो half into BC into its altitude is AM. Similarly here it will be half into EF into DN. Both half is cancelled. So what you are getting, area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF is equal to, depends from if you write BC by EF into AM by DN. Suppose this is 2. But you have to prove BC square by EF square. So already BC by EF you got, and AM by DN also will be converted into the BC by EF. We have seen in the previous one that we know that the ratio of altitudes of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what you can say, you can say AM by DN, anything, AB by DE, BC by EF. Here BC by EF we are writing, corresponding sides ratio will be equal. So देखो, from 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, anywhere you can say. So you can say from 2 and 3 we can get area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle DEF equal to BC by EF you have into AM by DN also can be written as BC by EF. So ultimately it is coming BC square by EF square. Similarly, we can do the rest one. Other side also. We can say area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square, or if you have taken AE as the base, so you can take AE square by DF square like this one. So all these one, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. That means ABC by DEF equal to BC square by EF square equal to AB square by DE square equal to AE square by DF square. This theorem today you will practice. That is the most important theorem everyone will do. And with this, one question, just I am explaining this one. One that is in your book, it is given theorem, but actually that is also in the question form you can say. What is that one? If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that the triangles are congruent. Areas are equal, means ABC, suppose ABC and DF two similar triangle, their areas are equal. Means area of ABC is equal to area of DEF. So area of ABC equal to area of DEF. The area of ABC by area of DEF equal to what it will be? Both equal. X, 5, 5, जो भी हो. So that's divided by करोगे तो it will be 1. The area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to 1. ठीक है? So that's, if it is 1, so you know ratio is what? AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. So you are having area of triangle ABC by DEF area is equal to, you got AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, as well as AC square by DF square. So if that is equal to 1, so ultimately AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF, AC equal to DF हो जाएगा. Then by SSS you will get that both two triangles are congruent. So these two results will be practiced today. That will be the most important assignment. Both the questions has come. One has the theorem, another one is the question form. Okay? We will do these two results for these two theorem, 1 and 2 theorem of the area chapter. Thank you. Then we will apply the next one.